Did you know most Honda Accord AC problems are caused by just a few simple issues? If your compressor isn't kicking in, don't worry. Let's figure it out together. First, check if your AC is set to the coldest setting and the fan is on high. If you hear a click but still get warm air, your compressor might not be turning on. One common reason: low refrigerant. If your car is low on this special cooling fluid, the compressor won't run to protect itself. You'll need a professional to check and refill it safely. Next, it could be an electrical problem. A blown AC fuse or a bad relay can keep the compressor from working. These parts are cheap and easy to replace, but always double-check your owner's manual first. Sometimes, the compressor clutch itself wears out. If it's not engaging, the compressor can't do its job. This usually needs a mechanic to fix. Finally, a faulty pressure switch or bad wiring can also stop the compressor. These are trickier to diagnose, but a repair shop can help. So when your Accord's AC isn't cooling, it could be low refrigerant, electrical issues, a worn clutch, or a faulty switch. Start simple, and when in doubt, let a pro take a look. Stay cool out there.